Homo sapiens and Marbots, it's me, Rogue Marble Scott, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back any new watchers or subscribers. I am Rogue Marble Scott, like I just said. Anyway, so today is another Pride look. I've done 3 now. This is the 3rd, and yeah, excited for Pride Month to happen here in the UK. Like, although it's happening in the States and it's happening elsewhere in the world, I feel like it's not Pride Month, it is Pride season. So today I decided to do like some flame looks on my eyes, just because I feel like the LGBT community need to start burning the people that hate them. Also, this is also dedicated to Nigel Shelby also, who committed suicide earlier on this year just because he was gay. I don't even know how he was bullied. It just makes me feel very uncomfortable knowing that people in this day and age are still committing suicide because they're being bullied for being who they are. It's disgusting. Okay, so we're gonna go into the tutorial. So guys, that's how I got the look. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to this channel. It means so much to me that I have actually hit a milestone on this channel. However, maybe I could, you know, get to another milestone, like more zeros before the end of the year. Go on, make it happen then. Press subscribe. So yeah, I'm gonna go now. Bye. Rogue Marby Scott.